morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, November 15th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 60 degrees. It's getting colder.
Today in history, in 1859, the first modern Olympics takes place in Athens, Greece.
In the headlines, California teen wins Children's Climate Prize. This year's winner of Rashima Kusaraju, a 15-year-old who lives in California, her idea was to use AI, artificial intelligence, to predict where forest fires might happen. To build her deep learning model, she used weather information like temperatures, humidity, wind speed, and how dry the soil is. She also looked at human behavior. Her model can predict where and when the forest fires are most likely to happen. It is right about 90% of the time. Rashima hopes to turn her program into an app that will be useful to firefighters. She also hopes it will help people who live in areas where forest fires are likely to happen.
The word of the day is jape. Definition: to say or do something jokingly. Used in a sentence, he said a jape response to his friend.
Today's fun fact is a humpback whale doesn't eat for most of the year.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, which side of the turkey has the most feathers?
I don't know.
The outside.
Let's do Would You Rather. If you play along, be sure to raise your hand and do not shout. Number 1. Would you rather swim with sharks or stingrays?
Sharks.
Number 2. Would you rather it be cold or hot outside?
Cold because it has a chance of snowing.
Or rain.
Number 3. Would you rather go without conditioner or toothpaste?
Conditioner.
Number 4. Would you rather be a superhero or a villain? I'd rather be
Superhero.
a villain.
Number 5. Would you rather have a pet lion or a pet wolf?
Pet
wolf.
wolf.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Carter.
And I'm Kayla.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.
Bum, 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 bum.